I-90 eastbound at the Rocky River line in Westlake, Ohio for suspected equipment and license plate violations. During the traffic stop, officers would make several surprising discoveries. During the course of the investigation, officers noted signs of drug use in the vehicle, and the driver admitted to having a firearm. A loaded .45 caliber semi-automatic handgun was found alongside a baggie of suspected cocaine. A scale, multiple empty small plastic bags, and a cutting agent were confiscated along with a rifle, ammunition, suspected marijuana, and marijuana paraphernalia, according to a department press release. To verify the information in the press release and promote transparency in government, we obtained this footage via an open records request.
90 eastbound River Line. It's going to be a Chevy Impala, silver. Can't read the plate.
Hey, can you roll this down? Can you roll this? Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Hey, Officer Thompson, Westlake Police. Reason we stopped you, we could barely see through these windows. Do you know what the window tint is set at? Okay. I can't see through them. I'm going to test them for you. Can you mind rolling them down a little bit more? Hey, anything illegal? Any weapons in the vehicle? Okay. You can calm down just without reaching for it. Where is the gun? Okay. Yeah, without reaching for it. I just told you don't reach for it. Take the earbuds out of your ears. Yeah, without
don't reach for it. Don't
I just told you don't reach for it. Take the earbuds out of your ears.
You're just willy-nilly. I'm going to secure that.
Do you mind if I see your driver's license? Anything illegal in the car? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm going to test your windows. I'll let you know where they're at, okay? All right, so in the state of Ohio, 50% of light has to be getting through the windows, this one and that one. This is at 41, okay? So it's a little below. It's hard to see through it, okay? Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Just stay in the vehicle. You can roll those windows up on your side so you're warm, okay? All right. Oh, I didn't see that. Hey, bud, go ahead and take your seatbelt off. And I'm going to have you hop out. Just leave everything where it is, okay? Hop out and walk back to my partner. Don't pick anything up. Put your cigarettes down. Okay, leave everything in the car and walk out to my partner. Alright, go ahead, put your hand behind you there. Give me your hand. Other hand. We're just patting you down here. So we are going to be searching the car. There's nothing in there that's going to be dangerous for us or anything like that, right? Okay. We can work with that.
I mean, I'm not totally being honest with you.
What's wrong? What's going on, bud? I can't hear you. What's wrong? Well, you're making me nervous. What's going on, man? Hey, hold on. Yeah. Go ahead, face that way. Turn that way. What's that?
Not too tight.
Yeah, I'll make sure they're not too tight. Here, let's go in the front. Okay, you're a big boy.
Yeah, I got stuff in front.
Just so you know, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed. Do you understand your rights? Okay, that being said, what is the stuff that we're talking about?
I got just one occupant. It's not.
It's okay, man.
It ain't mine.
What's that?
It wasn't mine.
What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, it's mine.
Okay. Do you have anything else you want to say? Whose is it? All right, I'm gonna close the door just so you're warm. Okay, we'll be back with you in a minute.
Thompson, Mirandize him. He's gonna go back on the drugs, the gun. He grabbed that while we were telling him where is that, don't grab it. So I took it, secured it, was gonna secure the firearm. As I opened that up, the weed just sitting in there with the gun. And then once that happened,
I told him not to
hey, we're like, hey, don't grab it.
Reaching for me. Tell me where the gun is, and he goes and reaches for it.
So we're just gonna take both of his guns. We'll take that. We'll take him back.
What's that?
I got an AR in the trunk.
You got an AR in the trunk? Thank you. I appreciate that. Anything that's gonna anything dangerous that if we breathe it in, it's gonna hurt us?
No. Okay. I got a license for this one.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So he's got an AR in the trunk. Copy.
He's gonna go back on the drugs. What the? Cleveland security. Dude, security dudes. Take off.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Did you look in there yet?
Nope. At the 45. Flip it. Yep. Yeah, so that's what it is. Yep.
You take his phone too, and his cash, because he's got baggies and a scale, and he's got cut in that bag.
I'm gonna test the other window. This one was 41, just so we could say.
Officers check the tint of both front windows using a handheld tool that measures the amount of light allowed through. Under Ohio law, windows must allow 50% of light through the window.
Keys.
Okay. Found another one.
Where was that at?
It was like all the way buried in the center console. I was getting his home keys.
Oh my God, nice.
It's another one.
Where?
It's in the center console, like buried down. I grabbed his keys for him, his house keys.
The 37-year-old driver had a valid permit for carrying a concealed weapon, which was taken as evidence along with the firearms. The Cleveland resident was arrested and charged with felony drug trafficking. When the case is presented to a county grand jury, Prosecutors are expected to ask that gun specifications be added to the charges, according to a police department statement. As of the time of publication, the suspect has not been convicted of any crime and is presumed innocent of any charges.